Gold and silver both have seen a little drop today, and gold specifically has gone close to 1970 levels, the next strongest support, and it precisely respected the support levels. At the same time, silver has breached till towards 2340. I hope you all profited with the morning update. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Or also, you can join our free Telegram channel where we post the market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. To watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts. Higher lows, lower highs here, and in fact, on the near-term time frame, you can see this. And hence, a sell entry right now only is recommended if you see it trading below 1970 levels. Below that, you can expect it to drop further till 1970. One has to be watchful as it has seen a good drop so far. Possibility of a little retracement is existing. Now see here on the upside, possible buy at 82, but then a real buy is only if you see gold trading above 86.5. Beyond that, we can see it hitting 92, 93 levels, and beyond that 2000 can be expected. So 86.5 is a safe entry. A little riskier entry can be taken at 1981, 82 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD at oversold levels here. RSI almost at bottom, and if you look at 2 hour charts, now look at 2 hour charts. See previous candle, a green candle, and you can see a flat opening there. Hence it can try to show you a rise, possibly 1979. If it breaks past by, you can expect 82 and then 85. See very little movement, but yes, these are also good profits. If you take an entry at this time, possibly it may try to fetch a little move, but then 1981, 82 certainly going to be a very good resistance, and anyways beyond 86.5 is only little bullish. So it is confirmed here too. Stochastic oversold, MACD oversold, and extreme bottom here, and it is still not giving any sign of rise here. You can see the sine wave here. Now it is trying to consolidate before it tries to take a direction. RSI is also oversold here on the 2 hour charts, and if you look at 3 hour, now look at 3 hour charts here, also flat top, and hence see lower lows means it can try to achieve the bottom here at 70, 72 levels, and a reversal means 80, 82 levels. Yes, it can show you good swing in between these levels, and hence you have to be cautious. Till 1970, I will not recommend you to sell. Rather, at these levels, there is a possibility of a buy, and then you can expect 1978, 80 levels. A good safe entry for buying is 1982, beyond which only bullishness is confirmed. Else you can see the drop here, retracement drop. Now if it tries to retrace, this should be the high, which is almost at 81, 82 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is still bearish, trading with very little divergence, and it is extremely oversold. RSI is also trading oversold near to bottom. Look at 4 hour. Now see on the 4 hour charts, look at this candle, almost $7.5, $7 move, and if you count $7 from here, 1977, you can expect 1970 levels, which is again also going to be the lower lows level here, and hence this is going to be possibly a great support for gold right now. A buy above this zone at 79 can be taken, and but 81, 82, and then beyond that only I will wait for specifically this zone to be breached. If it breaches past by 85, 86.5 levels, then further bullishness is going to be seen. Till that time, we have to remain extremely cautious and vigilant. Stochastic looking down, MACD is still bearish here. It is looking downwards, and RSI is extremely oversold here on the 4 hour chart. Now look at the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See a bigger red candle and 2 smaller red candles here. Lower highs, lower lows. It may try to limit its movement within this zone 1970, 1985, and any breakout beyond this zone is considered as a reversal, and hence till here we have to remain extremely watchful. A sell entry is recommended if you see it trading below 70. There is a possibility that you can see similar size of candle, and if you look at this size of candle here, almost $25 of move, and if you count $25 from here, 1960 levels, and hence any move below 1970 you can sell there. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is extremely divergent and bearish here. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating bearishness. Considering this, I'll sell entry at 1970, where you can expect 1966, 1960 levels. Very good support exists for 60, and then below that we may see it landing for 1952, 1940 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Now, silver on the hourly chart. See, rise retracement, drop, rise, and then drop, and then this is the retracement. See, lower highs are seen, lower lows are the highs of this channel. Now it has to break past 2382 levels, then only we can confirm that it has reversed, else possibility of it to drop exists. Now another observation on the hourly charts is this handle at the bottom, which also indicates that there is a possibility of a little retracement. And how far it can retrace? See, 65, 70 levels, 75 levels can be seen. This is going to be a very good resistance, and only if it breaks past by 75 and 82 zone, then you can confirm that silver has reversed completely and it is going to trade bullish. Else, see the drop there, retracement, and from here if it continues to drop on the downside, trades below 2040 levels, certainly you can stay short. 2340 levels, you can expect 2320 levels. Stochastic was oversold. It has seen a little retracement. MACD is bearish here. It is trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It is still trading on sell. RSI was oversold and it has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Now see, on the 2-hour chart, these two candles almost have a flat top and a flat opening, which means that it can try to give you a symmetrical candle, which means 2345 levels are going to be a very good support, and we have to be watchful there. Below 2345 itself, you can expect 2340 and 2320 levels. 2330, 2320 rather, put a 10 cents trailing stop loss there. Stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of it. MACD is again trading with divergence and is bearish, but very little divergence. RSI is almost at bottom, and if you look at 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts as well. Flat top, you can say symmetrical candle, and possibly from there we see how it behaves at 2340. Stochastic at bottom, oversold. MACD is trading with very little divergence. It is trading green. It is trying to retrace. RSI is also trading at bottom. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts, see lower highs, lower lows. And first of all, if you connect the dots here, multiple candles precisely getting the support at these levels, and now also 2340 levels are going to be a very good support for silver. Now you look at the previous candle, the body is very small, the tail is very long. It means that possibility of it to retrace exists, which also indicates 2370s 80 zone can be seen again before it tries to look downwards. Remember, this is a very strong resistance zone. So yes, you can buy at 2360 itself, but 2360 itself, but then 6570 very strong resistance exists till 380 levels, and hence you have to be watchful, cautious, and alert till 2380. Only and only if it trades about 2380, more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic looking down. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI oversold on the 4-hour charts too. Now look at the daily charts. Now firstly look at this size of candle. It is trying to create a parallel and it is almost done. There is a possibility that it can try to breach 2340 also, which will bring further bearishness there. Stochastic is oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell silver at 2345, but then 2340, 2330, 2320. These three levels you should watch out for. Very nearby, but I cannot afford to give you a larger range, and then if it reverses you get losses. So better to give you all the levels, and that is where 2340, 2335, 30 and 2320, these three levels you should watch out for on the downside if you are taking a sell entry here. Else you can buy here at 2360, but then 2370 levels, very good resistance in between 2370 and 80. I don't think that it is going to break past 2380, but if it does, more bullishness may prevail and you can see a complete reversal for $24 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel and mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. And also remember that I do not run any investment scheme on my name. Please remember, anyone who is approaching you, asking you or seeking investment and promising you multifold returns, remember, It's a fraud account and you have to report it immediately. Don't get trapped with any such misleading promises. There is no shortcut to easy money. It's only hard earned and you have to follow markets strictly. So please remember, nobody can give you multifold return in a quick time, because somebody who is doing it for others can do it for himself and becomes a billionaire by multifolding his own account. So please take care, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.